Listen, you know, it's the time of year where if you never fix up your house for Christmas, it's the time. And Angela is with me, and she's going to tell me all about the things that are happening in the store. But let's first start with the tiles.
Okay.
Talk to me about the range that you have here.
Okay, well, we have porcelain, we have ceramic, we have also mosaic.
What do you have here?
We have a range of different granites.
Yes.
We have the ones that can be used for the kitchen, as well as your countertop in your lobby.
Yeah.
Yes, those are the ones that we have now. This is a great price at $28,788, and it goes along with the backsplash.
It comes with the backsplash, and then I realize it says GCT included.
Yes, GCT is already included in the price. This is our floating vanity.
What that mean, Miss Angela?
Our floating vanity is the one that you install just on the wall. You will have a lot of space at the bottom if you want to place something there. This is one of our latest addition, and the prices are excellent as well. And this is our product for the season.
Oh, yes.
Our curtains.
Curtain half a change, curtain half a change.
Yes, and we have them in different colors,
Yes.
style, everything to match your decor. We also do our shower curtains here, which is another addition to our line. Our bathroom window curtains as well. This is also new. And we also have our lightings. Lighting for your bathroom, lighting for your living room. We have lovely chandeliers as well. And all the lights for your kitchen, for your outdoor patio. We have everything here at Electrolux.
Look, man, they have everything in Electrolux. You see this wonderful vase? Some people say vase. Wonderful Electrolux hardware and home decor. 110A Kingston Spring Road. That's the address you have to remember this Christmas, because inside is Dear Body London. Everything you need for the body is right here, and Sheena is going to walk me through. Hi, Sheena.
Welcome to Dear Body. And well, we're going to introduce you to our body mist line.
Okay.
We have 12 series in our body mist line. So first I want to introduce to you the Crazy Shoes. This is one of our popular sellers. And you know, it's Crazy Shoes. Ladies love shoes. So it go well with the females.
Flora. Yes.
We have our white dresses and our black suits.
So what's the difference with the white dresses and the black?
Okay, so the white dresses indicate for ladies. For the men, you know, we have famous men.
There's a little bit for every style. So if you're flirty, it has a flirty smell. For the men, it has that kind of deep, musky smell. And then there's some that are sweet.
Men want to come along, you know.
Talk to me about the Summer Fresh.
Summer Fresh is from our teenage group. Yes, mainly for the teenagers. It is our gold edition. You know, it's very fruity because, you know, it have our Amara's coconut. For this Christmas, you buy over $1,000 on our gift sets and you get a gift free. Right. Lasting Amber for men. And we have the Forever Blue for men. Scarlet for men.
But this intrigues me because I'm looking at it. It looks almost like a cool drink of water. Sheena, what line is this?
All right, this is our days line. Yeah, we have from Sunday to Saturday.
What?
Then of course we have our Black Friday.
There you go. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you have to be here. They have body butter, lotions, lipstick, and are taking it to a very special wall. This is the selfie wall. 110A Kingston Spring Road.
Come on in.
Dear Body London. Ask for Sheena.
Yes, me.
Christmas shopping spree now travels to Ocho Rios, and we're at Germany's Auto Sales Limited. Look, if you can't get it, they are Germany's. Then we'll go find it. They will bring it. Whatever is hard to get, it the right so in Ocho Rios, Main Street. Just look for the Texaco. You can't miss it. How many locations do you have?
We got 2 locations to serve you, darling. You can also go over to Port Antonio. It's at 33 Foreshore Road over there.
All right, so what are you going to show me today?
Oh, all kinds of fabulousness. This is the RAV4 Toyota. Now, my favorite feature on this one, Delia, I gotta show you.
Show me.
Come, darling. Wonderful if you have your baby in your hand, Delia, or if you have a bunch of bags, hands-free.
Talk to me, Malika.
Oh, this is the 2015 BMW 428i. It's the Grand Coupe, baby, and here only at Gemini's. Hello.
Yes.
Can you check out the 20-inch rims? Hello. The M-Class.
Love
so
it.
it's really, really top of the line. It has
My
everything.
only thing now is how am I going to protect this car here?
Glad you asked, because we have a very special on, very special. It's for Christmas. It's a Hawkeye. You know Hawkeye?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a tracking service. So we're gonna install it for you, give you the equipment, and 6 months for free. And that's only if you come down for the Christmas special, however. So you gotta come on down, it's a limited time.
Listen, this is the Subaru, guys. Come let me show you something. Come. Malika.
Really?
Talk to
This
me.
is the gem. It's the 2017 Subaru Impreza. This one is very special because it has the eyesight technology.
Tell me
We
what
got
that
2 cameras up here, right? So we're talking about AI technology, you know, artificial intelligence. All right, would you like to test drive the
So people are allowed to test drive the cars when they come here?
only at Japanese? Come on down and get yourself. Oh, okay, all right.
See you later.